Welcome back to another BdThemes tutorial. Today we're exploring the Utilities module of the Smart Admin Assistant plugin by BdThemes. This powerful module offers essential features, including SMTP configuration, maintenance mode, and system information, helping you manage your site's status and access important technical details with ease. Let's see it in action. To start, open the Smart Admin Assistant dashboard, where all available modules are listed on the left panel. From here, select the Utilities module to access its settings. The first section you'll encounter is SMTP configuration. In this section, you'll find a Pro option with a toggle switch labeled Enable SMTP. This feature allows you to configure custom SMTP settings to ensure reliable email delivery from your WordPress site. Once the toggle is enabled, additional fields will appear, including SMTP host, SMTP port, SMTP username, SMTP password, from email, from name, and security. Begin by entering the SMTP server host name, such as smtp.gmail.com. Next, select the appropriate port for your server. If you are using TLS, you can enter the standard port for secure connections. Then enter the SMTP username or email address along with the corresponding password. After that, set the From email address that will appear as the sender in outgoing emails. If you leave this field empty, it will default to the SMTP username. You can also set a display name in the From name field, which will appear as the sender's name. Leaving it empty will default to the site name. Finally, set the security option to match your chosen protocol. At the bottom of this section, you'll see the Test SMTP Connection button. Clicking this button sends a test email to verify your SMTP settings. Once the connection is successful, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Check your email inbox to confirm that the test email has been received, ensuring your configuration is working correctly. The next section is Maintenance Mode. Here you'll find a toggle switch labeled Enable Maintenance Mode. Activating this feature displays a maintenance page to visitors while keeping the site accessible to administrators. Once enabled, the maintenance message field appears, where you can enter a message to inform visitors that the site is temporarily unavailable. You can test this by visiting the site and confirming that your message is displayed as expected. The final section is System Information. This area provides a comprehensive overview of your server and site environment, making it easy to review configurations and share technical details with support. Key information includes PHP version, WordPress version, MySQL version, server software, memory limit, maximum execution time, and upload limits. A Copy System Info button is provided to quickly copy all the details to the clipboard, simplifying communication with developers or support teams. At the bottom, you'll find the Reset to Defaults button. This handy option restores all settings within the Utilities module to their original state. And that's the Utilities module, helping you manage SMTP, maintenance mode, and system info efficiently from one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest features and modules from Smart Admin Assistant. Thanks for watching.